Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn chapter number 19, Human Development. This chapter is from economics and very interesting chapter students. Human development. So far you have learned economic development. Now you are going to learn about human beings development, human development. Change is a rule of life. An infant means a new baby. Okay, grow slowly into adult. A newborn baby that grow into adult. From the face of the primitive man has developed into present complicated social arrangement. Social system and economic systems have also developed in different forms. Economics which develop to maintain a record of economic production and consumption, income, expenditure, profit and loss has started becoming a scripture of physical well-being, and human development is 60 to 70 years. A lot of difference is there in quality of life of the people in different countries of the world. There are lots of differences in the quality of the human being in the different countries, not only between two countries, but difference we can see in through regions of the countries also. In order to improve the quality of the life, there is need to satisfy the basic needs like food, clothes and shelter, and then education, health and entertainment. Now what do you mean by human development? Meaning of human development. The term is often used by the agencies of media, political leaders, different institutions and government. The term human development is used for the expansion, means increase the human capacity. How? Through education, prevalence of preferences, development of freedom and human right. Human development gives indication of many other things other than education, health, nutrition, controlling resources. Not only education, but also many other things it reflects. Human development is a process of extending human aspiration. Aspiration means what, students? Desires. An essential subsistence services UNDP. Human development is man-centered, means is revolving around the human being. Is access in the direction of development. Objective of human development is to create same conditions for everyone's life so that people may lead a significant and creative life according to their talent. Earlier, human development was evaluated on the basis of economic development only. Now, per capita income, I taught you what do you mean per capita income, was considered as only measure for the human development. But all the nations of the world concentrated on increasing the gross national product GNP. However, despite achieving the economic success, there was no change in the lifestyle and quality of the people. Thus, it would be incorrect to believe the human development can achieved by the economic development. So, human development is not related to income, but it will achieve how to use the income. There are 4 pillars of human development. 4 pillars. One is equality. Second is stability. Stability means no ups and downs. Then production and empowerment. Human development therefore is getting opportunity to lead a successful and creative life according to one's own taste, interest, skill, intelligence and capability. In short, human development is a development in the human being. Education, proper health, proper nutrition. So that person can live his life properly. Human development means first, ability of human beings to lead successful and creative life. It is the ability as their own interest, ability and wisdom. Second, creating human beings' capabilities, make the human capable, securing equality and getting an opportunity to select its various fields. So, capable the human beings in. Third, man living healthy, fine, fit, long life. Healthy, fine, fit and long life. Next, acquiring knowledge through information and education. Next, getting opportunity for monetary benefit. Monetary benefit means what? Financial benefit. Natural resource should be available all to improve living standard. All the natural resources that are available in the environment, that should be available to all the human beings. Achieving qualitative lifestyle, not quantitative. Qualitative lifestyle. Removal of squalor, improvement of health related conditions. Achieving qualitative lifestyles. Obtaining personal and social securities. Social security should be there. Utilizing human rights, the 6 fundamental rights given to you now, that should be utilized. Obtaining individual and social security. Individual means all security and social means whole society security. Human rights are inherent to all human beings, so use it. Inherent means what? That passes through generation to generation. So we have to use it. So human development is related to creation and expansion of many such opportunities. Creation and expansion of the opportunities. So human life include peace, economic, social, political, cultural fields. Due to indifference or disgust toward the improvement, low aspiration, illiteracy, lack of entrepreneurship, suspension matlab doubt, superstition matlab अंधश्रद्धा, okay, antiquateness, orthodox matlab old and rigid customs, traditions, improper use of natural resources, developing countries have not been achieved, economic and social development. Now students, I am going to teach you the most important topic of this chapter, Human Development Index. This is very important question from this chapter. Explain Human Development Index means HDI. This will ask in a section C, 3 marks. So students, can you able to see 3 points given to you? Life expectancy index, education index and income index. These 3 points, they are given in the numerological number. That 3 points you have to write it down for 3 marks. Okay, so now this above paragraph is just an introduction. So the concept of Human Development Index was given by a Nobel Prize winner economist Amartya Sen for MCQ. This topic was given by this index was given by the economist Amartya Sen. First Human Development Report was published in 1990 with their help. Since then, other United Nations Development Program, it's called UNDP. A report is published every year. A worldwide analysis is presented on the basis of development of different nations in the various dimensions. The idea of Human Development Index was presented first report of human development published by United Nations Development Program, means UNDP. Okay, in 3 dimensions of human development: average age, health, knowledge and living standard. Human Development Index of any nation is determined on the basis of 3 dimensions. Till 2009, above mentioned 3 indicators were used to determine Human Development Index by UNDP to prepare a report. For this, a new technique is being used since 2010. So students, only you have to remember this life expectancy index, education index and income index. The 3 dimensions you have to remember: life, education and income. Life expectancy, education and income. That 3 you have to remember for 3 marks. Now this is for determining the health. Life expectancy means how long a person live a life. Longevity of the life. That's called as the life expectancy index. This is for the determining health and longevity. At the time of the birth of the infant, predicting for that, for how many years will the infant survive is known as life expectancy. After taking the birth, a infant, how long he live the life, that's called as life expectancy. For which the highest is 83.6 and lowest is 20 years. As for the Human Development Report, life expectancy in 2015, that was 68 years. Now education index. Its two sub-direction as follows. Mean years of schooling, M by S. Two sub-direction. Mean years of schooling. It is a year spent in the school by an adult till the age of 25. The time spent in the school by an adult till the age of 25, highest 13.3 years, lowest is 0. That decided. So according to Human Development Report 2015, average of schooling in India is 5.4 years. Okay, and expected years of schooling, that is the years of child of 5 years will spend in the school. Expected years of schooling means the child that spent in the school. For this, highest is 18 years and lowest is 0 has been decided. So average years of schooling index is 11.7 years. Now income index. For determining subsistence gross domestic product per capita, GDP is replaced by GNI. That per capita GNI. Gross domestic product is a product that produced only in India. It's overall income. And GNI, that abroad income also included. According to the Human Development Report 2015, per capita gross national income was $5,497, while per capita gross domestic product was $5,238. For calculating per capita income of any nation's income calculated on the basic currency of United States, which is known as purchasing power parity theory. So student, GDP that include gross domestic product, overall total income of the goods that produce in our country that considered as GDP. And GNI that include the foreign goods also. Clear? Now HDI, for calculating Human Development Index, highest and lowest value of every criterion is decided. So there is a formula. On the basis of Human Development Index, obtain the rate is between 0 to 1 for any country. Now Human Development Report. Since 1990, Human Development Report HDR is published every year. Human Development Index of 188 countries included in Human Development Report 2015 is divided into 4 sections as per the details given below. Norway stood first, 0.944, top list. Australia placed second, 0.935. Switzerland 0.930 on third position, while Asian country Singapore 0.912, 11th position. India stood 130th position, 0.609, 30th position among 188 countries. It means that it included in the category of medium human development country. Niger is also at the bottom of the list, 188th position, 0.348 HDI. Students, you have to learn the data of the first. Norway 0.944 at the top list, India 0.609 at the 138th position, that you have to write it down. Now the table is given to you, that on the basis of the highest, lowest, okay, highest human development 1 to 49 country, above 0.802, Norway, Austria, Switzerland, Denmark, Netherlands, America, Singapore, Britain, Japan, France. Second, human development, high development 50 to 105, 0.700 to 0.794, Russia, Malaysia, Iran, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Brazil, China, Thailand and Jamaica. Third, medium Human Development Report 106 to 143, 0.555 to 0698, Indonesia, Philippines, South Africa, Iraq and India. Next, Human Development Report 144 to 188, below 0.550, Kenya, Pakistan, Nigeria, Zimbabwe and Niger. Human Development Index of India was 0.428 in year 1990, then 0.496 in 2002, 0.586 in 2010, 0.604 in 2014, 0.609 in 2015. That means India's improvement is there. Progressive improvement has been observed. Among the neighboring countries of India, the condition of Sri Lanka, China, Maldives is much better and are ranked above India in the Human Development Index. That means Sri Lanka, China, Maldives are ahead. Sri Lanka, China, Maldives are ahead in Human Development Index as compared to India. And Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Myanmar, Afghanistan are ranked below. Now, challenges of human development. Challenges of human development. On comparing first 5 nations human development report, it is evident that in India, still lots of work need to be done in order to achieve all the parameters like health, education, income. That means India is lagging behind in everything. In health, India has to do lots of things in improvement of such things, national income and all. Human development is not related with the materialistic resource, but with live human resource. So challenges which come in the way of progress of human development according to Human Development Index, which are specially focused on health, sex ratio and women empowerment. These all are the 3 challenges of human development.